how to fix lag and slow on any game on your Windows 10 or 11. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix the slow problem or the lagging problem on your games, you need to go down here to your start button like this and click on this settings option, and then go to your privacy, and right here you will find many options. All what you have to do here is so simple. Just scroll down and disable all these options. For example, radios, click on it and click off. For example, tasks, click on it and click off. Like this, and do it to all these apps. And after you finish, all what you have to do is go down here and click on your right mouse and go to the task manager. Now right here, all what you have to do is turn off the apps that you don't want. For example, Google Chrome. All what you have to do is click on it on your right mouse and click on end task. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.